so fucking handsome, shooting up your phantom. I just got a handgun with the clip, extend a long clip, longer than my dick. Looking at my hit list, who's a nigga rip like YG 400? Make this shit drip. That bitch right there talking out of lip, bitch. Tell my girl here to go and shoot that bitch. Then we start a party at her mama's crib, but her mama ain't there. She out with the kids. Go and get the money like I told you. Go and get the money like I told you. Sad bitch, I ain't tryna hold you. Dragging by these nuts like I'm Goku. Skirt off in a Rari like I'm rich, nigga. Then I go and fuck a nigga's bitch, nigga. Everybody know you a bitch, nigga. I'll step anywhere in your fucking crib, nigga. I do what I want like I'm Trump, but fuck that nigga Trump. I'll shoot him up and pour his blood in a styrofoam cup and make his kids drink it, cause I don't give a fuck. I touched my first gun when I was 13. I caught my first body when I was 13. People keep on telling me find a different thing, but fuck that, find a different ring. People looking at me like I'm famous. I'm the fucking greatest, they scared to say it. Why? When I say this shit, they hate it. Well, fuck it, dog, I'm the one who's gonna make it. Fucking bitch, I'm on your mind 24/7. My birthday coming up, I don't want your present. My whole life couldn't get aggressive. I'ma treat hell like it's heaven. 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 I'm on your mind 24/7. Handgun, hold that bitch for ransom. I'm so fucking handsome, shooting up your phantom. Yeah. Shout out YG, man. I fuck with you, fuck with me, man.